What you're looking at here is the makings of a dehumidification kiln. I cut some hickory that I'm dying to use, and the moisture content is nowhere close to being usable yet. So this is my quick and dirty attempt at speeding up the drying process. So I've got some 1-inch foam board, some 2x2s, and some fender washers, as you can see here. I'm going to post a time-lapse video of the construction, but wanted to give you a quick look at what we're working with. This is upside down, so I'll flip this over. That will be the roof in the end. So what I'm hoping is I'll be able to roll up my garage door here, put an entire stack of sawn lumber on the ground, and then just drop this over it. We'll see how it goes. It's pretty lightweight, but we'll see how that works. Stay tuned. Next step, I'm gonna try to ratchet strap these guys together as one unit and then lift them with a front end loader to place them. It's gonna be a little tight. I might have to trim off some of my stickers there to get them both in that box at the same time, but we'll see how it goes. Worst case, I may just put one in there and see how it goes from there. All right, that was less than ideal, but I think I'm going to just leave it at one stack. I don't have to be awfully tight to get that other one in there. I don't know. I do have to do some manipulation here. I'm sitting on my strap and boards are all wonky, so I'll get that worked out with a floor jack, and then we'll come back and do the setup of the dehumidifier and the heater. Okay, I decided to go ahead and get this second stack in here. It's going to be tight, but I think I got it to work. Failed to mention this. You can see I put plastic down. I think my concrete stays pretty dry. It's got a moisture barrier underneath it, but just to reduce the chance of moisture from the concrete. Got that there. We got a pretty basic humidity and temperature sensor. I'm hoping it'll transmit up to the house, but we'll see. At a minimum, I'll be able to monitor it without opening up the box every time. I will probably cut a little access port over here on this side so I can adjust my dehumidifier, which, by the way, got this used for about 150 bucks, $30 for the space heater. I may not even need the space heater in this small area. This thing does put out a little bit of heat, but we'll see how it goes. The other challenge is going to be setting it up. I think I'm going to put it over on this side here. It blows out of the side of the unit, so if I can get some air movement kind of in a circular motion, I'd prefer that. If not, I might set up an additional fan or two. That's what we're working with. I'll get it all set up, close it down, and probably provide an update after it's been sitting for a few days. All right, quick update. It's exactly 1 day later. Made a few quick changes, added some Tyvek tape to all the seams. As you can see, I could feel a bit of a draft in some places. So I went ahead and taped those up, added my little access hole. And then overnight, the dehumidifier actually filled the tank up about a gallon, gallon and a half. So it's obviously doing its job. Pretty excited about that. More updates later.